Hey, so this is your context clue video. I'm just going to kind of go over the chart, showing you an example. I have my annotated and highlighted text that I read. It's beautiful. My annotations are not as complete as I'd like them to be, but it's enough for what I need to do. So when I was doing this, I already kind of picked out some words that I didn't know when I was pre-reading. So I'm just going to do one of my examples words with you. I'm going to do admonished. Okay, be quite honest, I really did have to use the context of the story to understand this word, which is why in my video I say you probably don't know this word either. So what do I think it means? What does it sound like, or what does it look like? So what I think it means, so I have to think before I read the story, what did I think? I honestly don't know what I thought it meant. So I'm going to be real honest. I'm going to put that in there. I didn't know about the meaning. But I did think it looked like abolish, which I guess was just me thinking about slavery, because that's the context. So what context clues help me determine the meaning? So when I looked, I know add means is a prefix that I kind of know, and it actually means to add. So I knew that. But then if I wanted to go and look at the story, if I scroll up, let me go find it. All right. There you go. So there's my context clue. So I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to paste it. Okay, so I have my context clues right here for what I know it means, or from what helped me understand what it means. So does this word have a positive or negative meaning? So I know that this word definitely is negative, just looking at it. And then what does this word mean in my own word? So it says, hush, child, not so loud, she admonished me. So I think it has to mean something like reprimand, or correct, or like she fussed at him. Okay, so what are some synonyms or antonyms for this word? I actually put my synonyms or antonyms in my... So a synonym I would think is reprimand, and then an antonym would be praise. So how does this term apply to my own life? So when I think about this, I have a 3-year-old. I might use this on her one day. I often admonish my 3-year-old. And then because I am the way I am, what I would do is I would actually go look it up in the dictionary anyway after I've done on this, just because I would want to know what it means. So I hope this is helpful. This is how you think this through. This is actually your first word. So if you're watching this video, I gave you a freebie. I would like to see you guys do other words that you know you didn't know in here. Just be mindful of the fact that some of these words are written in dialect, which means that they are hard to understand anyway because it's written the way she would speak. So just kind of make sure you're paying attention to that and not just picking out words that you already know just because they're spelled funny.